Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Kant Alfred from emofreetherapy.com, and today I'll be talking about an energy psychology technique that I use frequently to feel more energized. It's by Donna Eden, and it's mentioned in the book called Energy Medicine. Now, this technique is called three thumbs, but I'll be just demonstrating one part of this technique, which in my opinion is enough to feel energized. If you want to know the full technique, you can go to Donna Eden's website and it's mentioned in the description section. Now, this technique that's called three thumbs, all you need to do is go to the collarbone point. So, you know the collarbone point, it's a part of EFT procedure as well. It's basically the beginning of your collarbone, 1 inch below that. So, all you'll be doing is slapping these points, thumping these points, whatever you want to call that, and you'll be breathing in and out. So, this is how you breathe in. So, you'll be breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. So I'll show that. Now you can do this in the mornings. You can do it anytime throughout the day whenever you feel that you are feeling low in energy. And just doing this for 30 seconds to 1 minute can really make you feel energized. Now, I think that it's better not to do it before sleeping because you don't want to be energized before bedtime. You want to get a good night's sleep. So just give this a try. This is part of the three thumbs. I'll just explain what the three thumbs are. So the first one is the collarbone point, which is actually which falls on the kidney meridian. The second one is called the thymus point, and it's somewhere here. And the third one is called the spleen points. Now you can get a diagram of these points on her website, and you can do all these 3 points, breathe in and breathe out. But I only do the collarbone point, and that really helps me. So I just breathe in and breathe out. And remember to breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth.